just wanted a shotgun.
No, I didn't.
You're about to shoot me. You're gonna shoot me. Don't shoot me.
No, this is just in case a rabbit shit.
Wait, what the hell? This is Josh standing outside the door. That's scary.
What the fuck?
We don't need that.
Cody's literally the average American dad driving his son to work.
Wait, no,
Wait,
Cody, why are
Cody's
you
leaving
not-
without us. What the hell, Cody?
Wait.
Come
You
back.
wouldn't get in the fucking car.
Dude,
Kill, stop using the spawn menu. I know you're using it.
Come through, guys. Look. Oh,
Oh my god, Luffy!
Dude, what happened to the
Luffy.
car?
I'm dead! I died!
Cody,
Cody was shooting everyone.
Can you spawn in a new car, Cody?
Dead.
Can you spawn in a new baby again? Shoot Cody with.
I've got you in my sights.
Ow, hold got my bullshit.
I'm hiding. Someone just shot me.
And the hop, 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 like they always do. Hop, 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 like bunny doing. Hop, hoppity hop.
Okay, that's it, guys. I'm just gonna be driving. I'll just be trying to remove the body. Jackson, I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Keep your head down. Get your head down.
Dude,
Wait, are you guys leaving?
Alright.
Oh, look out behind us!
Drifting.
Look out behind us! Look out! Keep your head down!
I'm gonna delete you guys.
No,
Literally
please!
delete you guys.
Okay,
Guys,
I surrender.
Guys, can we, guys, can we, guys,
Deleted him again. No, please.
You killed me!
can we please actually do some driving,
You're gonna
please?
restart the server again.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we're going.
I'm trying to fuck him.
Okay, bye, Jackson.
Oh, wait.
Close the door. Close the door.
Jackson, we'll get another phone.
What the fuck?
Dude, Pete, you're like too
Wait, well, why there's two people in Jaws?
I will just mix.
Know that. Look at that.
Josh, watch this. I'm like Luffy. Watch.
What if like an alien species invade us and we need our doors?
Hard, dude.
I found some sex dolls, guys. And I also found the bar of gold.
On your bike, dude.
Guys, who wants this bar of gold?
Dangerous shit! What the fuck, dude? Cody, spawn me a bike.
What the hell?
Dude, crispers are good.
That is the right car.
Let me out.
My
Dude, let me
fix
out.
it, Caleb. I hope we have enough gas.
We have 1 and 7 here.
You.
He just threw the bank
Stop.
on it. Oh, this is a nice color. Here,
That's a nice car.
I'll put it on. You can get in, I'll put it on. You gotta
Nice
put it
car.
on. Put the door down, I'll
What?
put it on. No, you're putting it on wrong. You're bad at this. You have to...
Look.
Look, you just do this.
Fuck.
Jackson!
You just put the,
Josh, did you see that?
you just put the door right there. See?
Dude, Caleb, where's the door?
The dolls are in the back.
No, the door.
Why is there dolls?
We need them.
We're 4 men in a car trip.
Caleb, come over here. Come over here.
Okay.
Go with me. Go with me. Now push.
What the fuck?
Cody's spawning in a gun or something. I'm scared.
Dude, what the fuck?
No.
Cody, kill.
I think I shot Josh in the back of the head.
Dude, we all put our head out the window.
Oh, it's got no bullets.
Dude, Dude!
I got a pair of binoculars.
Uh-oh. I got
Guys, you know I have a pair of binoculars.
No, I just got deleted. No.
No, I just got deleted.
Caleb!
And now,
Damn, you're
now
here.
Josh is here and he's pointing binoculars at me. There's no car. Where'd the car
Need it.
go?
Caleb, look at me.
Let's see that.
Okay, keep going. I like the dog.
Just go. Jackson, if you try to drive the fucking car, I'm gonna kill you again.
Oh, dude, please, no!
Stop!
Why do you keep killing
I
me?
took the wheel. He can't drive.
Cody, let me
He
drive.
needs to get
Why is he
out.
dead?
We need some
Because
milk.
he's trying to steal the car.
Cody, you're underage. You're not
He's
allowed.
gonna steal it and drive it away.
Underage, Cody. You're not allowed.
Guys, one of
Hey
the
guys, look at what I see. Guys, I see something mischievous creeping over to us.
One of the wheels is.
Guys, look at the screenshot. I see a mischievous being coming over to us. I see a mischievous being coming close.
Come on.
Wait,
come on.
the door.
Why is there a dead guy in the car?
I said I was gonna shoot him and I wasn't lying.
He was in the back. He wasn't doing anything.
He was in the front and the wheels missing and this is not good. And
What about the dolls?
the dolls are fine.
What about the dead body in the back of the car? It's freaking out.
Well, we can just get a new car.
Okay, don't make sure you're not in the car when it gets deleted.
Oh, fuck, let me up. Oh,
Oh, look, there's a foul one on the ground.
Wait, look at that.
Hey.
Did you eat it?
I see who you are. You are my enemy. My enemy.
Guys?
the fuck?
Guys,
Why are you doing that?
Stop doing
Guys,
that.
How do you do
help.
that?
Where's
Cody?
he going?
Cody?
Where's he going?
Cody?
What's he doing?
Cody,
Dude, Cody.
Cody's
Dude,
on
Cody,
airplane.
why do you have, why you like
No.
admin commands?
Oh
Oh,
my God.
Cody, the tires just fell
I
off the
didn't
car.
mean to do that. I'm not even lying.
Dude, can we get like a 8-6?
What the fuck, Cody?
Can we get like this car?
What car? Whoa.
Dude,
Cody!
that's a pretty good car.
Hi,
Okay.
Penny.
Jackson.
Dude, I want to drive, dude.
What is
Dude,
the
I want to drive.
Okay, I'm gonna delete it. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. I just wanna fuck.
What
Oh
the
my god.
Dude, stop spawning the car. Dude!
Let's get in.
Jack,
Oh no!
you're doing
No, I didn't do
that.
anything. I didn't do anything. I didn't even do
I
anything.
said you're doing that on purpose. You have to be.
He is because he's a fuck.
Don't steal my binoculars.
Dude, no!
What did I
Please, I
do?
just want to get my binoculars back.
Just the,
Oh, a car.
I just.
Dude, that's a mischievous act, goofy ad.
Cody!
Goofy ad.
Oh,
Please,
Jackson,
Dude,
Jackson,
look at
Jackson,
the
come here.
goofy ad driver.
Jackson, come here, come here, come here.
Look at that
Jackson,
goofy ad driver.
Jackson,
He's so
guys,
goofy.
guys,
He's
guys,
so
guys.
goofy. Look at that goofy ad
Does he
driver.
have the method? Does he have the method?
He does not have the method. He does not have the
Bro, I'm
method.
getting out of here.
Kill, how?
Bro,
Kill, fight, please.
That is so sus, guys. I can't respect this. No!
that admin? Why not? Oh my god,
I
dude.
did that on purpose.
Hey.
I just
Cody.
killed
Hey.
Cody
hey.
is bad at driving.
What's your insurance? What's your insurance?
Dude,
This is
license
my
and
insurance.
registration.
Ah!
License and registration. License and registration. License and registration. License and registration. License and registration.
Can we agree to like get along if we use the bus?
Yes.
Okay.
I agree.
I'll
I got my
Because the
guys.
bus is sick.
Jackson's not in here.
Dude, look, why is there two gay people here?
That's a woman and a man,
What the
Josh.
Dude, it's two gay people.
Where's Jackson?
He's back there. Wait. Did you see him?
Guys.
I forgot that he wanted.
Jackson, get
Yeah.
in. The rabbits are gonna kill you.
Guys, help.
Jackson, I'm starting it and driving away.
How do I
Are
vote?
you-
How do I
What?
vote?
Okay, you're gonna fall on the bicycle.
Oh, I'm trying. Hold on.
You want this? We gotta sit down.
Guys, how do I rotate the bike when I pick it up?
Guys, I fell out of the bus.
Oh my god.
Hey Cody, I think you gotta make sure everyone's sitting down next time. Also, the doors are all open.
Oh no, the fucking all the doors are shut.
How do I open this door? The back door.
Guys, I don't know how to.
Why are you trying to do this?
How do we open the
What
doors,
do you
Cody?
mean?
Oh, I did it. I pressed F on it.
No, I just opened all of them.
I see Jackson on his bike.
Okay, here we go. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Jackson, press I. Press I when you're driving. It'll turn the engine on.
Where's Josh at?
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Let's go! Let's go!
Where's
Let's
Josh?
go!
Josh, where are you?
Caleb.
I'm
I
fucking
don't know,
outing.
he was just next to me. I don't know where he went. He's behind the bus.
We need to go inside. We need to go inside. We need to go inside.
I
Guys,
fucking
guys,
see
guys.
him running back there, dude.
God, this is so fucking cool.
Josh.
Hmm.
Get in.
Josh, get in
And
it.
sit down.
Get in and sit down. Come sit next to me, okay? Or sit across the aisle from me, okay? Trust me, you want to sit next to me.
Uh-oh.
Sit next to me? Okay, let's go. We're ready.
We need to go into
Josh, I can see you bulging your eyes. Let's kill
I fell out of the bus. Whoa!
Josh. What?
I just got flung. I can't see anything. My game's completely frozen.
I see you. You're right here.
Oh shit! No, come back, come back! The bus is jumping up and down.
No, it's not. You're fine. Just sit down. You're delusional. Just sit down, Caleb.
I'm sitting down. I'm sitting.
Caleb, you're a dumb fatty. What the hell?
Wait, how do you go in third person?
Yeah, I saw that.
That was a
Is there
BB
third person
gun.
button, right?
It's for
That was a
self-defense.
poopy, yeah.
It's registered.
Can you please teach me how to spawn in guns?
Can't! You have to have 500 hours of playtime.
Okay, what?
We've only got 2 liters left of fuel.
Wait, guys, wait, wait for me, guys.
We should really stop.
Wait, guys, is a giant sandstorm coming? I think we need to get out of here.
My fucking light.
Guys,
I don't have
guys,
fucking light
guys.
anymore.
Guys, there's a sandstorm coming!
No, there
Oh,
isn't.
shit.
Yes, there is!
I took a wheel off, so
Josh.
we have to wait for Jackson.
Caleb, why
There's
did
a
you do this?
sandstorm
We have to
coming.
wait for him. We have to.
There's a
we have-
sandstorm
Okay, I
coming.
know. That's why I stopped the fucking bus.
Yeah, but I just didn't want you leaving without him.
Why would I
Guys,
do that? He's right
Look,
here.
you see that?
There's a
Jesus,
sandstorm
see that?
coming. Get
Get
in the
on the
bus.
shit, the
fucking
bus.
Jackson. Get on the bus, or a giant bear is gonna come and eat your dog.
I'm gonna.
Watch this, watch
Where's
this.
Jackson? Actually, Jackson, get on the bus. There's a sandstorm coming.
It still is a wheel.
Dude,
Dude,
I can't
Jackson, get on the
fucking
bus.
move anyone.
Okay, that's it.
Get on the fucking bus. No, wait, hold on, I have an idea.
You bitch.
Guys, please, the sandstorm
Oh,
is coming.
fuck yeah, fuck yeah, fuck yeah. Dude, dude, dude.
Guys, the sandstorm is
Alright,
coming.
alright.
You'll escape the sandstorm if you have that.
Guys, the sandstorm is coming.
Put the wheel on the
The
fucking.
sandstorm
not
is coming.
that one.
The sandstorm is coming. The sandstorm is coming.
Caleb, the bus can't move.
The sandstorm is coming.
Hold on, I
The
wanna
sandstorm
try
is coming.
something.
The sandstorm is coming. The
The
sandstorm
bus.
is coming.
No.
Guys, the sandstorm
Josh,
is
there's
coming.
no sandstorm.
Dude, are you guys fucking dumb?
Where is it?
Where?
Are you guys dumb?
I don't see it.
Take a screen.
Look at this, guys! A sandstorm is coming. A sandstorm is coming. A sandstorm is coming. A sandstorm is coming. A sandstorm is coming.
It's not rendering in.
Yeah, Josh, it doesn't matter. If Cody can't see it, it's not real.
Dude,
Josh,
we're gonna all die.
Dude,
We're gonna...
Josh, I see it too.
Dude, we're gonna die! You guys just have your graphics too low. We're gonna die. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the
Jackson,
car.
oh my god, Jackson, get in the bus.
Get in the car. Get in the bus.
Switch
Get in
the
the bus.
wheels, guys.
Get in the bus. Get in the bus. Get in the bus.
No,
Dude,
Jackson,
get in the
don't do
bus. Dude, get in the bus. Get in the bus. Get in the
Jackson,
bus.
don't do that.
Dude, get in the bus. Get in the bus.
Cody, I would drive right now and leave him behind.
Dude, get in the
No.
bus. Get in the. Dude, get in the bus, bro. Oh my god, Jackson, get in the bus.
Guys.
Did we just run over Jackson?
I
we did.
beat you. No, wait, guys, wait.
Okay.
Dude, the sandstorm is
Fuck you,
coming.
Jackson.
The
Fuck you.
sandstorm is
No,
coming.
no way, guys.
It's so close. We need to get out of here. We need to get
Shut
out.
up! Shut the
Get
fuck
out of here. The sandstorm is coming. The sandstorm is coming.
Jackson, you have a chance to get on the bus when the sandstorm is coming.
The sandstorm is hitting the first rock. The sandstorm is hitting the first rock in a minute.
Fucking
The sandstorm is about to hit the first rock.
I'll be back to get you,
Dude.
don't worry.
Okay.
Cody, you're
We're
such
gonna
a
run out of
killer.
gas.
I think we can escape the sandstorm.
Wait, where's Caleb at?
He's coming.
He's getting some gas. Oh no, the sandstorm is coming.
Where is it?
The sandstorm is coming. The sandstorm is
This
coming.
way.
Stop the bus.
Guys, the sandstorm is coming.
Guys, the sandstorm is coming! Oh my god, I see it! I see it! Guys, go, go,
Dude,
go, go!
guys, the sandstorm is coming. Please, I took another screenshot. Look at it. The sandstorm is literally on its way.
It literally just hit the first rock. We gotta go.
Dude, it hit the first rock. The sandstorm is coming.
Why can I hear the
Caleb, can you
radio?
please get me a pack of those?
Dudes.
Caleb, can you
Yo,
please spawn me in the
just
pack
take
of
the
those?
wheel off.
No, the wheel's still on, see?
Hey, don't.
Caleb, can you please
I died! What?
spawn me in-
Did you shoot me? Why am I dead?
Oh,
The sandstorm got me.
Here, somebody
Jackson.
take this bitch.
fuck you! Caleb, look what you did! You gave Jackson the gun!
Cody, get me. Fuck.
You gave Jackson the gun!
Josh, the sandstorm got you.
Guys, the sandstorm is actually getting really close.
Guys, the sandstorm is breaking the bus. There's like a bunch of dead people in the bus. It killed me.
Guys, I don't think that's what's wrong with the bus.
What is the bus doing?
Dude, what?
Josh,
This
Josh,
is
Josh,
water.
Josh, do not go under there, Josh. It's
Let
empty.
me in, let me in.
Josh, it's empty.
I killed him.
Cody, Cody, stop killing me, dude.
You tried to kill me. If
Wait,
I
what?
had got
That's
on,
in
I
the
would have
ground.
died.
Right?
Please delete that.
I can't. Only you can.
My fucking god.
He's like angry.
Dude, the angry bus
What the
driver.
hell is looking at me
That's
back
the-
there?
Wait, guys,
Like,
the sandstorm is
Sandstorm,
gone.
baby.
The sandstorm
This
is gone.
Josh,
Guys, what are we gonna do? Oh my god.
Oh, fuck.
Sit down.
Jackson.
Help,
Sit down.
help,
Sit down.
help. I'm running.
Dude, Cody, hey Jackson, I want you to know you a bitch. You were born a bitch. You are a bitch.
Jackson, look in
You
front of you.
am a bitch.
Looking
You
at
ever
go,
could be.
Josh.
Jackson, look in
Huh?
front of you.
What did you say?
Ah!
Oh,
What's going on?
what did you say to me? Caleb, look at me, you ready? I bet you can't do this.
Fuck,
Ready?
fuck,
This is
fuck,
meant to be.
fuck.
Ready?
Uh-oh.
Caleb, you ready for this magic trick?
Guys,
It's not in the bus.
they shot me out of the bus.
Dude, the sandstorm is coming.
Fuck, guys.
Why'd you run him
Guys.
over? He's gonna.
Guys.
The sandstorm's gonna get
How did you just
him.
fire?
He's dead! Oh my god!
What?
You killed him.
Guys.
Wait, how do I drop this?
Can you open the door? Me and my son need to get on the bus.
You and your son can perish.
Please. Cody,
Don't
you're
run me
running
over,
Yeah, that's what happens when
Should
you run
I-
over my son.
I thought I killed. Okay, I'll open the door now.
Dude, I'm gonna kill your son Dalton if you don't
Yeah, I
get
was
pick
about
him
to
off the
say
bus.
that.
He's on the bus.
What the fuck?
Dude, I'm doing maintenance.
Jackson's under the
Yes,
bus.
Jackson's doing
I'm
maintenance.
gonna take the wheel off, guys.
Dude, Jackson, stop doing maintenance.
Why is the sandstorm is
Dude, you're
coming?
ruining my job, my field of work.
Guys, my Wi-Fi is getting unplugged. Love you.
Lamau, man.
Okay, turn off the Wi-Fi.
Where did he get a gun from?
Pack of darts.
No.
Oh my god.
Dude, this is so zooty.
I think there might be a dead body under the bus.
It's the refrigerator.
You should get rid of it.
I did. Who is this guy?
Well, Josh left, so now Brian Nova's here. Let's just go. Let's just leave it. Let's just stay with him. I love this guy.
Oh shit, I just closed the game.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna get off then. Also, why is he black? He was black when he left.
I'm green.
You're completely black.
Oh.